Narinig ko yan at may nagpadala sa akin ng video. You know, I am giving him the chance to prove himself to the people. Ito yung storyang hindi mamatay-matay. I never accuse him of someone who is using drugs. In fact, I was the one who presented his negative drug test result way back in November of 2021. At nagpapatuloy ang usapin na yan. So ang sabi ko, para matapos na, yung istoryang hindi mamatay-matay, I was suggesting, I'm still suggesting, he should undergo an open, fair, transparent, and credible hair follicle drug test. So that, if it turns out negative, sinabi ko na ito, yung resultang negatibo, sampal niya sa mukha ng lahat na nag-aakusa sa kanya. And I will feel relieved because I was the one who presented initially yung kanyang negative drug test. I presented it first sa PIDEA, and then NBI, and then PNP. So yun ang context ko noon.
Yung kung sinabi natin na ano po yung source po natin doon o nandun po kayo nung tinunan po siya?
Hindi ka pwedeng naroon sapagkat nung panahon na yun, tatandaan mo, I'm referring to the year November of 2021. Yan pandemya pa. At bawal kang basta lang pupunta sa ospital. At ang protocol noon, kung meron ka mang karamdaman o gusto mo magpatingin, punta ka mag-isa. That was the prevailing condition then. At I have no doubt not to believe yung resulta niya na nanggaling sa St. Luke's Medical Center sa BGC, sa Taguig. And hindi nga mamatay-matay. So para matapos na yan, since he is the Chief Executive Officer, he is the President, and leadership by example, ano ba naman yung magpailalim na dyan sa hair follicle drug test as a method? And I stand by dun sa aking paniniwala na public office is public trust. And all public officers must at all times be made accountable to the people.
Had there be any time na sumunod siya sa suggestion po ninyo, sa urukala po ninyo?
Kasi sinagot na nga niya, ayaw daw niya eh. So who am I to impose my opinion on him? Hindi naman na kami magkasama.
Pero yung result ngayon is hair follicle din siya?
No.
Urine.
No. Urine.
Okay, so when we still expect the president will still undergo?
You ask him. I'm not the president. I'm not him. And with his statement, sinabi niya no. So, siya tanungin niyo, not me. I am just reacting to his reaction. At matagal ng standing usapin yan eh. And sa lahat ng usapin yan, ako'y consistent. Because gusto ko rin malaman, baka naman nagsinungaling ako sa mamamayang Pilipino na nagpresenta ako ng isang maling resulta. At pagka yan naman ay talagang totoo, di yun nga, lapitan niya yung mga nag-akusa sa kanya openly. At ipakita niya yung kanyang negative resulta.
If given a chance, sakali manalo kayo as senator, will you make it as a law?
I think we have to strengthen the PIDEA and make it among the duties of, among the many duties of PIDEA to initiate yung annual or periodic mandatory drug test using as a method yung hair follicle drug test para wala ng tanungan.
Will this include hindi lang yung elected officials, pati po yung mga public servants po, pati po yung nagtatrabaho sa gobyerno?
Again, public office is public trust. Yung gwardiya nga nag-a-apply ng trabaho, hihingan mo ng drug test na negatibo eh. Yung driver nga ng pamilya o driver sa isang bus fleet na malaki, hinihingaan mo eh ng negatibong drug test eh. Bakit naman hindi ang ating mga elected and appointed official? Sila ay lingkod bayan, sila ay sumasahod gamit ang kaban at taxes ng bayan. So there must be a higher degree of accountability because public office is public trust.